Healing is a product of better digestion, better bowel movement, circulation, and rejuvenation. Outstanding morning. Assalamualaikum. This is Dr. Dorwin Zuniga Lahot, nutritional medicine specialist. If health, according to World Health Organization, is a state of complete physical, social, well-being, or mental and environmental, then healing is to restore your health. And possibly, you can achieve it with better digestion, better bowel movement, circulation, and rejuvenation. Why? Because according to the medical dictionary, that healing has stages like inflammation, homeostasis, proliferation, and maturation. To understand this simply is that there is a signal and senses and also these hormones that signals and create the process to move your body to function properly, and the growth and the maturation to repair and replace. Take for example for the wound healing. When you have a wound, it will inflame and it will start to balance the color, and then the skin starts to connect and maturation will take place. Even you touch it, the pain is already gone. So as you notice, the process of healing needs or requires to achieve better digestion, better bowel movement, circulation, and restoration. To end this, the needed signal, messenger, and communication within the cells happen when there is what? Better circulation, bowel movement, and the digestion is good so that the supply of this fuel, nutrients that your body needs can be achieved. I believe that if you support, your body can improve and attain healing. If God permit, you can have it. And I believe you can. My friend, please like this post and share this video if you think that this is helpful. And I will be making a video and will post it here so that you will be notified.